Welcome to the 5th video of the IoT in Practice workshop. Today we are going to prepare the environment for programming the XIAO ESP32C6 microcontroller. Let's get started. If you are wondering how professionals create electronics without chaos and with maximum collaboration, the answer is Arduino Develop. Imagine an environment where you eliminate the problem of manually emailing files to others, such as mechanical engineer for PCB verification, and start working in real time in one cloud. Arduino Develop is an advanced professional central hub that integrates the PCB design tool with the broader ecosystem. With it, you can forget about the frustration and delays that come from constantly losing context and having to manually track corrections. This is the XIAO mini board. It is an incredibly powerful development board designed primarily for IoT applications. Let's plug it into the breadboard, connect it to the computer, and launch the Arduino IDE. Now let's try to select this board from the device list. As you can see, it's not there yet, so let's add it. To do this, we need to add the link for the XIAO boards to the additional boards manager URLs found in the preferences window. I have placed this link in the video description. Once we close the window, the IDE will start downloading the additional board data. Next, go to the Boards Manager, type ESP32 and install the library by Expressive Systems. Now we can select the XIAO from the device list. Let's select the board and the port it's connected to. First, we will upload an empty sketch to test if everything is working correctly. The LED has stopped blinking because the code isn't doing anything, which is exactly what we want. Now let's upload the blink sketch and see if the LED starts flashing again.